Welcome to this amazing system, the Traffic Vault, where you get access to high impact traffic hacks, 5 of them, and you get access also to private label rights, a done-for-you funnel, and 100% commission on the sales of the front end offer, 50% commission on the rest of the funnel. So what you will get is an opt-in page just like this one. As you can see, 5 high impact traffic hacks for explosive growth without paying for ads or posting daily on social media. You have the graphic, you have the call to action, and when you promote this page, you will be building your own email list when people put their email address and click the button to subscribe. When they subscribe later, they will be sent to the thank you page, where of course they can get their PDF right here. You will get a thank you page just like this one. As it is, it does 2 things actually. The first thing, it delivers the PDF right here. So the PDF is here. It doesn't have any links whatsoever, and it does also a second thing where it continues pitching the main offer for the PLR rights, done-for-you funnel, and the possibility to be approved for 100% commission of this same offer here. There will be also 10 emails that will go out to your new subscribers day in, day out, to nurture them, teach them other stuff, and also sends them back to the thank you page where you deliver, actually this page here where you deliver the PDF, and you also present the main offer again and again. So you can sell right away this offer. When people opt in, they will be redirected to your affiliate link. I will show you that in a second. And of course, if they don't buy right away, they can buy later when they receive those 10 emails. Now, when you make the purchase, you will be taken to this page here where you can see this same video here. I'm gonna give you instructions actually on how to set up your own mini funnel using actually the share codes that you will find here in this section. 3 share codes, one for the capture page, one for the delivery page, and the other one for the 10 follow-up emails that will be rebranded automatically with your link for the delivery page and your first name to sign off the emails. You can of course get your 100% commission affiliate link from this button here, and you can download actually the PLR package with the graphics and the Word documents and everything that goes with it from this button here, and the upgrades will be available of course here, so that anyone who makes the purchase from these buttons, you will get the 50% commission for that purchase. Now let's go ahead and show you how to set up the funnel. And the first thing you want to do is actually import the delivery page. That's the most important page. You want to import it first. So go to your LeadsLeap and go to Page Manager and click to create a new page and call it, for example, Traffic Vault TY for thank you. So something simple, and on this button here you can of course click, go ahead and get the share code, click it here and import the design, so you will have a page just like mine. This is exactly what I did, and of course if I click on the link of the page I just created, I will see exactly the same design. All you have to do actually is change the links on the 2 buttons. This one here needs to contain your version of the PDF. If you want to modify it and add links to it, you can of course host it somewhere and link it here, but if you want just to give the PDF as it is, you don't have to change it. My version of the PDF will be here, and there are no links at all in the PDF, so people will do the reading, will understand anything, but there is nothing to click in the PDF. So we have now a delivery page and we have the PDF here, and of course you want to go all the way down and you want to add your affiliate link for this offer right here on this button, because if people they get the lead magnet and they want to upgrade, they will use this button to upgrade. This needs to be your affiliate link for the Traffic Vault system. The second thing to do is, of course, to create the list that will contain your new subscribers. I called it, for example, the Traffic Vault. So all you have to do is go to List Manager, click the blue button, and you can add a new list. Of course, you need to click on this gear and complete everything. This is your name, this is your email address, this is the verification code for the list, and of course you have the postal address you put here, and here is the place that I wanted to highlight. This place here is show a link after verification. When people verify their email address after opt-in, they need of course to go to the delivery page, and of course let me just grab the link for that page and you just put it right here. So your copy of the delivery page, you put it right here, and don't forget to save and activate your list. Now let's go ahead and do the last thing we want here is the and right away after finishing setting up your list, don't forget to import the 10 emails that you can see here. Of course, when you start, you will get your list like this, but there's nothing below. If you click on these two envelopes here, you will not find the emails. You will have to import them actually. And to do that, just click on this import button right here, and then provide the share code. Click the first option, replace all episodes, and click the first option for the welcome email, yes if available. So let's do that actually. As soon as you enter the share code and click the button, you will see this pop-up asking you for the thank you page URL, your copy of the thank you page URL, plus your first name to sign off the emails. When you provide these two here, all the emails will be imported, your link for the thank you page will be inserted, and also your first name at the bottom of each email. And the last thing we need to do in the setup is actually to import the opt-in page, the most important page, the one that you will be promoting to get emails and subscribers. So the opt-in page, you need to do the same. You click add a new page and you click the traffic vault, let's call it CP for capture page. Let's just correct this and click add now. Now you need to use the share code and import the design. So click here, get the share code from the thank you page, and actually the thank you page is right here. When you purchase, you will get access to this, and you can copy the share code from this spot here for the capture page. I just did that, and the copied page is right here. This is the link I just created. So we need to attach this opt-in page to the list we created earlier. So anyone who opts in from here will be added to the right list and will receive the right 10 emails. To do that, you just go to the page here and click launch editor so you can edit the content and the design. And you want of course to click on this button here, list, and then you want to use send steed email list. Click here to find the list, and of course find the list. This is not the right one, but you want to find the list that is called the traffic vault, and then select it. This spot is also very important because you will have to put your affiliate link for the system here, so that anyone who opts in right away, he will be taken to your affiliate link. So let's go back to the thank you page after purchase, and this is the button that you need to click to get your affiliate link. So when you click that, you just request approval from here and you will be auto approved. Your affiliate link will be here somewhere. You copy it. Okay, let's say this is your affiliate link. You copy it and then you go back and you paste it right here. You paste your affiliate link right here and save the changes. That's it. That's everything you want to do. And actually, here is your copy of the opt-in page that you want to promote. This will build your email list. The follow-up emails will nurture your leads and pitch the system again and again, and you will be making 100% commission on the front end and also 50% commission on all the other upgrades. If you need promotion tools, you have this page here, the JV page. So you have some banners for traffic exchanges and safe lists, and you have also emails that you can send out. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.